Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a short one, but I just wanted to show you guys what the new exhaust I put on the Sport Glide sounds like. I got a pair of Vance and Hines Big Shot Staggers, and I just got the bike tuned. I wasn't able to ride it before this past weekend, but I just took it out for a ride for a little while, and I captured some ride-by footage so you can hear what it sounds like with a new exhaust on. So there you go. Say motorcycles.
Motorcycles.
Well, I hope this helps make up your guys' mind. If you're in the market for this exhaust, I highly recommend it. If the bike felt totally different, it felt great. I felt like I was getting up higher in the RPMs. The horsepower was increased. Of course, I don't have numbers yet or anything like that because I'm not dynoed, but tuning with the FP3 with the RLNS Big Sucker, can't beat it. Good power, different bike, but I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.